Hey everyone, what's up? I'm going to be doing a layout update for the month of May because, I haven't done a layout update since March because, I've just been so busy with like personal life and everything, and life has just been so busy for me, and then I haven't had much time to like make model railroad videos. So starting off, stuff that's new to layout, I have a new locomotive that you probably haven't seen a video of. This is my Union Pacific ES4 AC locomotive. This is a Walters mainline. I gotta say, I think Walters did a pretty good job, and I recommend probably getting more of the Walters mainline locomotives. Because, they kind of remind me of like the ScaleTrains Operator series. Because as you know, they both make engines that are budget friendly, and then although they don't have any detail on them, but still, this is a really nice paint job's really nice, everything. And I actually like the fact that they installed this little E-bell right here, if you can see, by the fuel tank. Paint job's really nice. So it runs really nice, and it's a really good locomotive. And you're probably wondering, and also I did like reviews on the NSGevo, the Dash 8 and the SD78, because the Dash 8's right there, and the A's hiding right there. After all, I think this is a really excellent locomotive, and I'm super excited for like the second run to be released, because they got some more new road names. Like they got like City Rail, Iowa Interstate, the Canadian Pacific, the Vancouver Olympics, and KCS, which is, and lots more. So after all, I think this is a really nice locomotive, and I plan on getting some more Union Pacific locomotives sometime. Like maybe try and see if it's possible I can get some Heritage units, or maybe the Spirit of Union Pacific unit, even though I know that unit's pretty expensive. But it is possible I might think about getting Spirit of Union Pacific, because I think that's a really nice locomotive. So, moving on. Right here, we have some new rolling stock. I have 3 new rolling stock. If you haven't seen my recent operating session, I used these on the KCS grain train, which first car I have is the Cargill. I think this is the Pullman Standard 4427 hopper. This is a Walters mainline car. It's a recent release. I think that it's a really nice car. Looks really nice. And we have 2 ScaleTrains rivet counter Gunderson hoppers, both leathered in the Arkansas, Oklahoma scheme. I got these because I recently seen some of these cars on like KCS grain trains, so I thought I'd get a couple of these, and I probably might get more of these and install and have them on like BNSF trains, because they also appear on BNSF grains, so I think they're really nice cars. So those are some of the new stuff I have. My new locomotive and 3 new cars. And I don't think much has changed to the layout. After all, I still plan on like on this siding stand, I'll probably get like another short piece of track and install to make the siding a little bit longer. So yeah. So not much has changed. This is just a little quick update on what's been going on, because I know it's been a while since I did a model railroading video. So, layout update. Yeah, I think that's all that's new to layout as of right now. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.